train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Let's take up here. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. So we have case 1. And here we'll take we know the distance the train is traveling is 360 kilometer. We do not know the speed. So we will take the speed, say, as x kilometer per hour. So what would the time be? Now for this, let's recollect. We have distance equal to speed into time. So time is always distance over speed. So this time also will be distance over speed, which now it will be 360 over x. We call it time t1 is 360 over x. If the speed had been 5 kilometers more, so now the speed in the second case is increased. It is increased by how much? By 5 kilometers. So now the speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour, and the distance of course remains the same. So distance is 360 kilometer, and the time, we know time is distance over speed. So the time here will be distance 360 over speed, that is x plus 5. We call this time t2, that is 360. In the second case, this time is x 360 over x plus 5. Now it would take 1 hour less for the same journey. Now it would take 1 hour less, which means they are saying difference in time is 1 hour. Now why is there a difference? Here we have seen first the train is traveling with a speed of x, then it is increasing its speed. So definitely if it's increasing its speed, it's going to go faster. So your t2 will be less than t1, or you can say t1 will be more than t2, because in the first case it goes slow, it will take more time, and in the next case it's going faster, so it will take less time. So here the difference in time is 1 hour, so we can say t1 minus t2 equal to 1 hour. So let's get back here. We said t1 in the first case it takes more time than in the second case, because first case it goes slow, in the second case it increases its speed. So t1 minus t2 is 1 hour, and we are t1 was 360 over x and t2 was 360 over x plus 5 equal to 1 hour. To make this simple, I always take 360 common out, so what would remain here? 1 over x plus 5 here. Now we take our LCM. In this case the LCM will be x into x plus 5, and you know here you will have to multiply this because LCM is x into x plus 5, so this also x plus 5. This you'll have to multiply by x, so this also by x. So when we open, you'll get 1x plus 5 minus 1 into x equal to 1. So we have 360, open the bracket, x plus 5 minus x, here open the bracket, x square plus 5x equal to 1. So this plus and minus would cancel out. So here we have 360 into 5 here over x square plus 5x equal to 1. Now this is what cross multiply, and this is my equation. Now again comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A is 1, b plus 5, same procedure. C minus 1800. Then go ahead, find my D, which is B square minus 4AC. So 5 square minus 4AC. So that is 25 plus 7200. So my D comes as 7. This is my D, which I'm going to use later. So my equation was x square plus 5x minus 1800, and I got my A as 1, B plus 5, C 1800, and the D was obtained as 7225. Now we go ahead and find my alpha. Alpha, same formula, minus B plus under root D over 2A. So alpha B is plus 5. So minus plus 5 under root, that is 7225, 2A, 2 into 1. So alpha is minus 5. Now under root of 7225, you should know how to find it, is 85. Do prime factorization and you will get it. So my alpha becomes 80 over 2, and that is 40. So one value of x is 40. Let's go ahead and find the other value. So we have beta. Beta is again minus b minus root d over 2a. So minus b means minus of 5 minus under root 7225 over 2a, 2 into 1. Beta minus 5, and this is minus 85. This number is going to turn out to be negative. So you have minus 90 over 2. So my beta is minus 45. Now remember, these are the values of x, what we are finding. So x could be either 40 or it could be minus 45. If we go back, we have taken x as our speed. So the x could be 40 and speed cannot be minus. So we ignore this. Why? Because speed cannot be negative. Cannot be negative. So we will just take 40. So for our answer now, our answer is speed of the train in the beginning. Speed of the train is 40 kilometer per hour. You can look up at the PDF to write the statements properly. Here I'm doing only the working.